There are hundreds of languages around the world, but a smile speaks them all. With this beautiful thought, I wish you all a very good morning and have a nice day. Children, to start with, today I will be doing the grammar portion with you, and the topic is conjunctions. What are conjunctions in actual? Its name only tell us what are conjunctions. The word junction means joining point. So you can say conjunction are the words which join two or more than two words or sentences. See here, a conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, comma, phrases or sentences. Means not only words, they can be phrases and sentences also. Now, here are few of the examples. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, and so, and these are known as fanboys. Means this is a short form to learn the basic conjunctions. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y yet, and S so. So these are your basic, you can say, conjunction. There are many more, and they are also divided into few parts, three parts. But I will be just telling you the example and the name of the parts. We will do only this much only according to your syllabus. So let's see for usage of these all one by one. For is used like because and it presents a reason. For example, we took out the umbrellas from the loft for it is rainy season now. So it is rainy season. The reason is there, and the conjunction joining these two sentences is for. And is used to show addition, presents ideas that are similar. For example, my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. So they are joining two, you can say, presenting the two similar ideas. Next is nor. It is used to say not. Nor means no, negative idea, and it joins two sentences having the adverb not. Now let's see. My father does not get angry at me, nor does my mother. So negative idea is angry, but shows a contrast, presents the idea that are opposite. Example, we went to the theater, but we could not get tickets for the movie. Or shows an option, presents an alternative idea or choices. Be there on time or you will miss the bus. Time and you, it is joined by the conjunction or, means they are showing you the choice between the two things. Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have tea or coffee? Again, there is a choice between the two things. I hope this much is clear. Next is yet, presents an outcome or contrast. Now, yet is again presenting the outcome or contrast. What it is, let's see here. I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. Now, see, beta, here is a contrast. What is a contrast? Means I was not happy with my brother, still I helped him. Yet I helped him with his project. Means contrast is there. You are not happy with one person, still you are helping that person. So, yet is used for contrast. So presents the consequence or result. Now see the consequence and result. I had not done my homework, so I apologized to my teacher. So what is here presents a consequence or result. Now what was the result of not doing homework? The other child had to apologize from his teacher. Now children, conjunction has two other names. What are those? Connectors and linkers. Firstly, I told you that there are conjunction are the words which join two or more sentences or even words, you can say, and Another names for conjunction is connectors and linkers. And we have studied about fanboys. What are fanboys? F for A and N nor B because or but both can be there. O or Y yet and S is so. And there are many more also like after, although, as far as, even though, every time, if, in other, in order, that, either or, neither nor, not only but also. There are many more, and they are further divided into few parts: coordinating, subordinating, and correlating. We not need not study, we just have to study these conjunction words. So comparison, see, than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas, these all show the comparison related to time, or after, as soon as, until, whenever, not now, not then, now, then, though, although, even though. These and conjunction, I told you, are also known as connectors, or they connect words in short. Now, children, it's according to your book. Open your book. Yes, write the date, your classwork on the top, and we will do these exercises. Starting with, let's get started. Match the phrase in column A with those in column B to form meaningful sentences. I feel asleep. Sorry, not feel, it's fell. I fell asleep because I was tired. Kiran was sick, but he still finished his homework. Minu likes to play hockey and cricket. The cricket match took place although it was raining. I had some free time, so I cleaned my room. Now let's read this. A conjunction is a word that joins other words, group of words, or two sentences together. For example, you can see here different conjunctions are used for different purposes. As I told you earlier, also, it's just a repetition. We use and to connect words and sentences of equal importance. Example, my mother loves me and takes care of me. We use or to show the choice between two ideas or things. Example, you could wait here or go home. We use but to join words or sentences which show opposites or contrasting ideas. For example, the dress is pretty but too expensive. We use because and so to explain the reason why something happened. Examples, the box fell from my hand because it was too heavy. It is hot outside, so we should take an umbrella. Next is, we use although. Now, use of although to join sentences which show opposites or contrasting ideas. Examples, although he was scared, he did not run away. Now, usage of if is to join sentences which show that condition has to be fulfilled for something to take place. Now, here if is used when we have to fulfill, it's necessary for someone to fulfill a condition, only then the other work will be done. For example, if you study, you will score good marks. Now, condition here is you have to study, only then you can get good marks. Here are some more examples of conjunctions. Wash your clothes while it is sunny. While is used to show time. Ruth is running while Maria is walking. Here, while shows contrast. Give your mother my regards when you meet her. When is used to show the time. I will wait for Manju until 5 p.m. Until is used when something goes on till a certain period of time. Unless you go to bed now, you won't be able to leave for the picnic on time. Unless shows condition. Mr. Dhupia is old, yet he goes for a walk every day. yet again is like used like but and joins two contrasting ideas. I hope all of you are understanding this much. He must have been very hungry, for he ate everything on his plate. John is not in drama club, nor he is in the quiz club. Now, children, let's move on to the exercises. Underline the conjunction in these sentences. He can play badminton or tennis. Here is or. He cannot sing or dance. You can stay in this room, but you cannot go to the art room. But here is a conjunction. Although he is intelligent, he is very lazy. Again, although here is your conjunction. If the juice is sour, I will not drink it. If is again a conjunction. See, here is a condition. If it is sour, I will not drink it. So, if is used for condition. He has a cold because he was out in the rain. Because reason. You won't get rid of the ants in the cupboard unless you clean it. Shweta is not an actress, nor she is a singer. Now let's do exercise B. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. She cooked while I cut the vegetables. Hari and Rama came looking for me. The bird tried to free itself from the trap, yet it did not succeed. Although it was hot, he did not switch on the fan. I don't know about these characters because I haven't read the book. If you work hard, you will succeed. He is always lied to people, so they did not believe him when he really needed their help. Number 8. When I called him, he was asleep. Now, children, let's move to exercise C. You have to rewrite the sentences. Minky is tall and slim. When I went to Mumbai, I toured the city. I cooked pasta and baked garlic bread. Sita met with an accident. Sanjay also met with an accident. So you will write Sita and Sanjay met with an accident. We have not met for a long time. I came to see you. We have not met for a long time, so I came to see you. Meenu sent me an urgent email. I was away. Answer will be while I was away, Meenu sent me an urgent mail. I will let you go out to play if you complete your homework. A boat is big, but a ship is bigger. I hope this much is done. Now, children, exercise D is your homework. Again, you have to join the sentences using suitable conjunctions. She is friendly, she is popular. She is friendly and popular. So, children, after doing these 4 exercises, you can send me for checking. Any problem, anything, you can mark it and we can discuss in next class. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all.